In the first two lines, the poet says, "The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together." So children, as you can see in the picture, the sun and the rain are hiding behind the clouds and playing hide and seek. This means the weather is changing quickly. At times, it's so sunny, and suddenly the dark clouds appear like it's going to rain. We call this as fickle weather. So the meaning of the word fickle is something that changes suddenly or quickly. So in this case, the weather is fickle because it's changing so suddenly. Now let me ask you a question from the first two lines. What were the sun and rain doing? Yes, the sun and rain were playing hide and seek together. Good. In the next two lines, the poet says, "And each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place." So now the sun is trying to chase away the rain, and the rain is trying to chase away the sun. Chase means run after somebody to catch the person. Let me give you another example of the word chase. The police chased the robber. So in this sentence, the police ran and was trying to catch the robber. So I hope you understood the meaning of the word chase. Good. Now in the last two lines of the poem, the poet says, "At last they met to say goodbye. And lo, a rainbow spanned the sky." So children, when finally the sun and the rain met each other to say goodbye, at this moment a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky from one end to the other. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. Now the meaning of the word spanned is to spread from one end to the other end. Just like you see in the picture, the rainbow spans from one end to the other end of the sky. Now let me ask you a question here. What happened when the sun and the rain said goodbye? That's right, children. A beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. Very good. Now let us read the poem together loudly. A pretty game. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Isn't it a wonderful poem? Now that we heard the poem, let's answer some questions. The first question is, How do you play hide and seek? I hope you know what is the game of hide and seek. In Hindi, we call it Lukka Chuppi. So let's discuss how we play hide and seek. Among many children, there is one child who has to take his den. Now this child, who's the denner, closes his eyes and starts counting numbers. When he is doing this, the other children run and hide in different places. The person taking the den opens his eyes when he wants to search all of them. He catches each and every child who is hiding. When all are caught, the game is over. And the child who was caught first, he'll become the next denner. So that's how we play hide and seek. The second question is, name any 5 games that you enjoy to play. Here, you can talk about any game you like. It could be a game you play at home, or it could also be a game you play outside with your friends. At home, it could be carom, snakes and ladders. Outside, you could like football, cricket, hide and seek. So I want you to list any 5 games that you like to play. The third question is, study the colors of the rainbow. For this, you need to know that the rainbow has 7 colors. So which are the 7 colors? Let's look at the picture over here. The 7 colors of the rainbow are, first, red, then orange, then yellow, then we have green. Next we have the color blue. Then we have the color indigo. And the last color of the rainbow is violet. Now children, you need to remember these 7 colors of the rainbow. How is that possible? Let's see. At the end of the picture, can you see a sentence? Let's read that sentence together. Roy, so Roy is the name of a boy. Roy got bored in Vegas. Vegas is the name of a place. So, let us see how to remember the 7 colors. We have to pick up only the capital big letters. So to start with, R. R stands for the color red. Very good. Next we have O. O stands for the color orange. Then we have Y. Y stands for the color yellow. So we've completed Roy. Which are the 3 colors? Red, orange, yellow. Now in the next word, got. Which is the first letter? G. So G stands for the color green. The next word is board. And which is the first big alphabet? B. B stands for the color blue. The next word is I. I of in. And I stands for the color indigo. And the last word, Vegas, the alphabet V. V stands for the color violet. So this is a small way to remember the 7 colors of the rainbow. I hope it makes it easier. The fourth question tells you to draw a picture of the rainbow. So children, now that you know the 7 colors of the rainbow, I want you to draw a beautiful picture of a rainbow in the sky and fill it with all the different 7 colors. I hope you'll do a wonderful job. The fifth question says, write words related to weather and sky. So weather means climate, or in Hindi we say mausam. So any words that come to you when you think of weather, I'm giving you a few examples. Sunny, rainy, windy, hot, cold. Okay. The next word is sky. Again, you could write any words that come when you think about the sky. Few examples are blue, cloudy, bright, clear. Okay, children? Great. Now, in the 6th and 7th question, we are doing something called as rhyming words. So, what are rhyming words, children? Rhyming words have a similar sound at their end. Let me give you some examples. Like run. So, a similar sounding word to run is fun. So run and fun are rhyming words. Another example, like. So a similar sounding word to like is bike. So like and bike are again rhyming words. I hope you understand. Now you have to select the rhyming words from the poem. So if you look at the poem, these are the rhyming words. Weather, together. Chase, place. By, sky. Okay, children? Good. Now that you know what are rhyming words, in the 7th question, I want you to make a list of any 5 rhyming words of your own. They could be very simple words, but they need to be rhyming. Okay, children? That's the end of today's activity. I hope you enjoyed the poem and also understood the question and answers. Do complete your work given to you. That's all for today, children. Thank you.